Hey, how we doing today? So today is 21 September. I got about 8 p.m. So I'm finally able to get here. So I know you guys, if you have not visited this spot, Area 51 down in Midtown Las Vegas, okay, it's got the beautiful Crockfords. It's like right across from it. I know you guys are wondering, what is Area 51? So we're gonna find out what it is here in just a second, okay? We're gonna go inside and check it out. All right, it's a lot of good stuff inside there, so we're gonna see. All right, folks, so here's some statues here. All right, like aluminum statues. Looks like a dragon here. All right, I don't know what this thing is, all right, but it's like a lot of creative stuff here. It looks like they may be trying to have like some festivals out here. I see some connexes out here, I guess, where you can go inside. Sorry about the light. Okay, hope everybody's doing good. It's not a lot of people here during the week, and it's probably better that way for me. So maybe if I wanted to go out, it's, you know, less traffic. All right, and that's the entrance there. So I guess you're gonna stand in line and you're gonna go inside there. I heard the food is good, and they got, you know, sculptures and different things. Here's a Las Vegas sign here. Okay. All right, we're gonna go and pause this video and move on. All right, so I guess this is the entrance here. And then, let's see here. So back in this little area, you're just gonna process. You wanna put your email in there and stuff. Here's a nice little car here. Yeah, and then we'll go check it out. So I guess as soon as you go in here, they try to make this thing look like Alien here. This is interesting. Area 15. Actually, that's a real spot too out here in Nevada. Okay, well, it's starting to have aliens out there, and they do other stuff out there, training operations, and ooh, this is nice right here. So this is what. Okay. So let's pause this and then do some specific footage. All right, so this is like a skull when you walk in, and it's called Wild Muse, and it looks like some other stuff where you can go inside and take a look at some museums and that type of stuff, like this spot right here. I'm gonna find out what I wanna go check out or what I wanna do here. It's supposed to have food in here too. All right, let's move on. Hey, so I'm inside this Muse store. It looks like, reminds me of Spencer's back in the day. This shit is nice though. Look at this. All right, so let's save some of this footage here. Okay, but it's like a lot of rave type stuff. All right, so here's some more rave stuff right here. Some, looks like swimsuits and stuff that you wear at rave parties. So I'm pretty sure a lot of people that are at EDC or some of these other festivals, they're probably gonna go get stuff like this. Look at that, that's really cute here. And here's some ninja type stuff there, all right? Really neat stuff. Again, it reminds me of Spencer's back in the day. All right, so this will be my last little clip of this store here, where they have candles and they got the little blog thing. I had a couple of those back in the day. Man, those are really nice. All right, so they got a Mega Mart here, and they got this tree, man. Peek that tree out. Man, look at those designs and patterns. And it looks like a few places to eat. Marks and Finders Coffee. Hey, just so you know, I don't have rights to any of this music, okay? This is a nice little fountain here. Little place here where you can kind of sit around and chill out, you know, maybe you can eat or sip on your coffee. All right. Let's move on. I want to see what's going on the other side of this place. All right, so this is like a virtual ride here. They call it Birdly. So I guess, you know, you're gonna have the little, you know, goggles on, and it's a little virtual thing. All right, basically where you're gonna fly around a simulation, and you're gonna be, you know, like a bird's eye, or you know, and flying around the city or whatever setting that the game allows you to be. That's pretty neat. All right, so this is called the Oz Experience. So I guess this is another virtual reality spot, and they have a bar, another bar. I want to see what that Rocket Fizz is in the back. And they got, looks like a little place you can eat back here. So we're gonna check that out. All right, so this is called Dueling Access. Yeah, it's like a bar, full service. Or see, I got axe throwing, VIP room, that type of stuff. And I just showed you this, what is this? Oz Experience. And here's this Rocket Fizz and the Meow Wolf. Okay, you can see it from a distance. So I think this Rocket Fizz, though, they serve food here too. All right, it's food and desserts. And you can see they got the kitchen back there. I don't know if they're doing food this late at night. All right, I'm gonna move on here. All right, so this is called Rocket Fizz. I thought this was part of the bar, but actually this is a store. It looks like they'll have soda and cookies and candy in here. Okay, I'm just going to take a quick peek in here. Peek in here. All right. I don't have rights to their music. Okay. All right, so hey, you can probably get little souvenirs off here too. All right, so this is like the upstairs part. What is this stuff? Like virtual, another virtual spot. All right, I want to see what they got further down here. Hey, how you doing? So they got this shuffleboard here. I forgot what they call this game, but you just got to get just in the right spot. And they call this 5-iron golf, so it's like a virtual golf spot. And they probably got the game on too. All right. And it's got like a little bar here. It's got baseball on tonight. Kind of like Top Golf. All right, so this place is called Wink World. So I guess you know you're going to get, from where I was told, a psychedelic effect. All right, and here's some of the stuff that they have. Looks like I got some nice little shirts in there. That's a nice little shirt they have. So I guess it's like lit up, or you just got to be under the right type of fluorescent light. Okay. Oh, some Slinkies in there too. Interesting. That's really, really nice. I like this shirt right here. I used to have a shirt called Coogee. I used to have a shirt sort of, kind of like that. Man, this is nice. All right, so this, excuse me, place is called Kappa Toys, and basically here's the little glob lights and the little electric light there. That's pretty sweet right here. Okay. Oh. Glitter door. Oh, man, this is really nice. All right? So you just light up, but you gotta have the right amount of light in your home. All right. This is really, really nice here. Yep. All right, let's move on, just so you see what they have to offer in here. All right, so that was pretty much it on that. It's pretty much like a big, like, warehouse in Area 15, and they do a lot of stuff outside too on the other side of the building here. I'm on the south side. On the north side, they do like concerts and other stuff. They got disco lights, so I know they have that stuff because I went over here like on rides and stuff like that. In fact, this is where you get picked up for Uber rides. So I hope you enjoyed that little tour here of Area 51. Feel free to subscribe, share, leave your comments, okay, and check out some of my other videos. Stay tuned for the next video. If you want to donate to the channel on Cash App, it's Cash App $ Winston Spivey or SPIVEW1 at unlv.nevada.edu for PayPal. Thanks for listening.